we are at the core of Silver Moon. This is what I like to call the food temple. Not only we have the 3 SALT venues, which will offer the most extensive regional culinary experience you can try at sea, but on top of that, you also have an amazing Asian restaurant with KAISEKI, as well as the most ever popular ATLANTIDE. Silver Moon, with its 8 restaurants, more restaurants than any other ship in its category, is offering the most enhanced culinary offering at sea. What you're seeing today here is S.A.L.T Kitchen. It's a brand new concept coming out of the S.A.L.T ecosystem, in which we're going to present to our guests culinary offering changing from the region of sailing every single day. Here we are at ATLANTIDE. As you see, we're still missing some furniture, but don't worry, it's on the way. You know, on Silver Moon, thanks to its popularity, ATLANTIDE is actually much larger than on the Muse, and this will allow ample space for you and your friends to enjoy its award-winning international cuisine. You fancy some live entertainment? This is the place to come. The Silver Note, our supper club where you can have either a wonderful dinner or just sip a drink at the bar. And by the pool deck, here we have the grill, where at lunch our guests will be able to enjoy simple grill fares for a casual lunch on the pool, or at night it's a beautiful dinner under the stars with the award-winning hot rocks, where our guests will be able to cook their own fish or meat on hot lava stone. SPACCANAPOLI, also called the best pizza at sea, where our guests can enjoy a fantastic Neapolitan pizza from morning until late at night, thanks to this custom-built oven which just makes it perfect and crisp. And here we are in a totally redesigned, signature Japanese-inspired KAISEKI restaurant, where our guests will be able to enjoy anything from sushi bar to an amazing multi-course dinner. Welcome to La Dame, a completely new experience for this signature restaurant. Not only is the venue much larger than she was on the sister ship Silver Muse, with almost double capacity, but also she's on a complete different deck, which you will see in a second makes a hell of a difference. And here you really understand why the position makes a difference. Imagine having a wonderful dinner with your friends with this incredible view behind you. And here is a particular which I'm very, very proud of. This is a beautiful lily crystal showing the Arethusa, which is a nymph, a woman coming out of the sea. So what a better image to show this restaurant, which has always been dedicated to La Dame, which in French, of course, means the woman.